Hi, you're with Chris Vassallo, Product Manager at Samsung Electronics Australia. This is our brand new 65-inch Samsung Flip 2.0. It's an enhanced version. We've never had a 65-inch option before. Version 1 was 55, but the artificial enhancements they've made on the 65-inch, due to arrive in October, makes it a step ahead of the rest. We now have a magnetic pencil that clips to the side of the display. We've got an optional tray here which gives you front connectivity. You're able to lock out the screen menus and save your roles. It can be installed in portrait or landscape, but it doesn't offer, the 65-inch doesn't offer a rotatable feature like the 55-inch predecessor did. You can find out more about this product on displaysolutions.samsung.com.